just right here at home, and narinig yun naman sa baka ng ingay. May nagluluto, may naglalaro mga bata, and yeah, just having my daily life right here at home. Yeah. So, ayun, nagluluto yung kapatid ko, and si Ellie naglalaro. So, okay. Right now, peaceful ng bakasyon ko. So, muna yung aking balita sa inyo for now. Oh, by the way, today is July. So, yeah. Hey guys, it's August 1 today, and I just want to update you guys na andito lang ako sa bahay, and same routine lang yung ginagawa ko. So, hindi ko kayo ma-update dahil ayun nga, same routine lang everyday yung ginagawa ko, and wala naman ng ganong bago, and so hindi ko na rin masyadong binablog, but today is August 1 nga, and gusto ko lang kayong i-update na may pasok na ako on Monday. And third year na tayo guys. And hindi ko rin na-vlog yung new shoes ko kasi ando na siya sa gilid to. Hindi ko na siya na ipakita sa inyo, but I will show you guys once na nasuot ko na siya on Monday. But yeah, back to school na ako on Monday. So yeah, see you on Monday. And susundin ko na si Ellie in a while. Bye. Hi guys, so today is a Monday, and I have now an online class today, and 2 p.m. pa siya mag-start, but it's almost 2, and ayun, mag-aayos na ako kasi I have class, and super init, and wala lang, gusto ko lang kayo i-update na may class na ako, and yeah.
Bye-bye, Seiya. Yay.
Eh,
Bye-bye, Seiya.